We took a road trip in our RV from Vancouver, Canada. Our first stop was Nevada State of USA. The Hoover Dam is located on the border between Arizona and Nevada states. It's about 10 kilometers away from Boulder City, Nevada. This dam is one of the most iconic landmarks in the United States. Hoover Dam is an arch-gravity concrete dam that spans the Colorado River. Construction began in April 1931, and it was completed in March 1936. It has been called by many names, such as Boulder Canyon Project, Black Canyon Project, or Boulder Dam. In 1947, its name was changed to Hoover Dam, after President Herbert Hoover. There are two ways you can visit this place. You can either drive through the dam or take a walk around the dam. If you choose to drive through the dam, you will be able to see the entire structure from inside your car. However, if you want more time at each spot, then walking might be better for you. We decided that we would like to do both. So, after driving through the dam, we parked our RV near the visitor center, where there were plenty of parking spots available for large vehicles like ours. After getting out of our vehicle, we started exploring what they had to offer here. They have several exhibits inside their building, which tell stories about how people lived back then, when this area was being developed into something new again, during those times when electricity wasn't yet invented, but still existed anyway somehow, because they needed power sources to run machinery during construction projects, like dams themselves, so they could generate hydroelectricity later on down the line, too. Outside of these buildings, though, there's also another attraction worth seeing nearby, called the Hoover Dam Visitor Center. Inside this facility, visitors can learn all sorts of things about local history while enjoying some beautiful views outside through huge windows showcasing stunning scenery surrounding them. When visiting any tourist destination, it's always best practice not only bring along snacks, but also water bottles with lids attached securely, since temperatures tend rising quickly outdoors, especially under direct sunlight exposure, without proper shade coverings overhead above us, unless provided naturally occurring trees nearby, along pathways leading towards various points within said destinations themselves. After spending enough time indoors, we headed outside onto the outdoor viewing platform, located just behind the visitor center. From up high atop this elevated decking surface, one gets spectacular panoramic vistas across vast expanses below, including deep gorges carved out over millennia by powerful forces within nature itself, such as erosion caused by windstorms, scouring away layers upon layers of rock formations exposed beneath our feet today. Although we didn't plan ahead properly beforehand regarding where exactly we wanted to park overnight nearby, so we could wake up early tomorrow morning before sunrise hits hard against our eyes due to bright lights shining directly overhead, outside our bedroom window, curtains inside our motorhome trailer type home. Instead, since daylight saving time hasn't kicked in yet until late October next month anyways, I guess I should mention that factoid now before continuing further, just because why not? Anyway, once finished taking pictures together, with family members present beside me, as well as strangers passing by, casually strolling past, whilst snapping photos alongside myself, using my smartphone camera lens. Captured moments throughout this experience altogether. Here at Hoover Dam National Memorial Park, located right across Lake Mead Boulevard Road, off Interstate Route 15 highway southbound lanes, heading eastward toward Las Vegas Strip downtown area, approximately 40 miles northwards, distance-wise, away from current location, standing upon ground level, facing westward direction, facing sun-setting position, at horizon line, visible clearly, directly opposite side from which way we came earlier today, driving straight forward without turning left nor right onto other roads intersected nearby. Instead, once done, taking videos and photographs together with friends and family members alike, present beside me while standing atop this particular observation deck, overlooking scenic landscapes below us, featuring mountainsides covered entirely with lush green vegetation, mixed amongst rocky terrain surfaces, found scattered throughout valleys below, caused by natural erosion processes occurring over thousands years ago, long ago, due to strong winds blowing constantly against rocks lying exposed underneath soil layers, buried beneath earth crust depths underground, wherever possible, until eventually worn away completely clean, leaving nothing else behind except bare bones remains, visible from afar, distances away, like hillsides seen far off into distance, beyond mountain ranges, rising majestically above everything else, surrounding landscape scenery. Once finished taking videos and photographs together with friends and family members alike, present beside me while standing atop this particular observation deck overlooking scenic landscapes below us, featuring mountainsides covered entirely with lush green vegetation, mixed amongst rocky terrain surfaces found scattered throughout valleys below, caused by natural erosion processes occurring over thousands years ago, long ago, due to strong winds blowing constantly against rocks laying exposed underneath soil layers, buried beneath earth crust depths underground, wherever possible, until